Hello everyone. Students, today we will do new topic that is Indian and international place value system. So first of all, we will do Indian place value system. The place value chart helps us to recognize large number. In India, we mostly follow the Indian place value system, also called the Hindu-Arabic system of numeration. While reading a number in the Indian system, all the digits in the same period are read together and the name of the period except the ones is read along with them. While writing a number in the Indian system, we usually put commas after every period to separate the period. This helps us read the number easily. For example, we put commas after every period and the 9 places are grouped into 4 periods, that is 1 period, 1000 period, lakh period and crores period. We put commas after every period, like we put comma here, we put comma. Yes. Now here 9 digits are given: 2, 4, 5, 6, 9, 8 and 173. Now we arrange the digits in the Indian place value system. After arranging the number, how we can read and write this number? With the help of this table, we can easily read the number and write the number in words also. So we write 24 crores, 56 lakhs, 98,173. Now next is 8 digits are given. Again we arrange the digits in Indian place value system. So how we can read and write? We read it as 4 crore, 56 lakh, 98,173. Come to next one. Here the 7 digits are given. Again we arrange into the table. After arranging it, we can read it as 56 lakh, 98,173. Next one is 6 digits are given. After arranging the digit, we read it as 6 lakh 98,173. Now 5 digits are, we arrange them and we read it as 98,000. We read the periods along with the numbers and 173. So here it is the Indian place value system. Now we will do international place value system. In this system, 9 places are grouped into 3 periods. The periods are ones period, 1000 period and million period. Now next one is, when we arrange the digits in this system, so how we can read and write the number? So here 9 digits are given again: 2, 4, 5, 6, 9, 8, 1, 7, 3. After arranging the number into international place value system, we read and write it as 245 million. We put comma after every period, then 698,000 And last one 173. Like this. Now here 8 digits are given. After arranging them, we read it as 45,698,173. Next one is 7 digits are there. We arrange them. Now we read it as there is only 5 million. 5,698,173. Next one is 6 digits are there. We arrange them and we read it as 698,173. Next one is 5 digits are there. We arrange them and we read it as 98,173. Now what is the difference between Indian place value system and international place value system? In Indian system, 9 places are grouped into 4 periods. That is, we again revise the topic, that is crore, lakh, thousand and ones. And in international place value system, 9 places are grouped into 3 periods only, that is million, thousand and ones. We put comma every period. In Indian system, we put commas crore, after lakh, after thousand, and in international place value system, we put commas after million and after thousand. Now let us revise Indian place value system and international place value system with the help of an example. Here 9 digits are given and we read the number under both the systems. First of all, we will do Indian place value system. The number we will read and write it as 31 crore. And we put comma after 31 crore. We will write in words 75 lakh. Here it is 75 lakh, 42,689. And in international place value system, this number read it as 317,542,689. Now I hope this topic is clear to everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.